Ghanaian rapper Samuel Frimpong, popularly known as AMG Medical, has been handed a 5-day remand sentence by an Accra court. He is said to have brandished a gun on social media. The rapper was arrested in the late hours of Thursday, October 21st, 2021 by the police.